Welcome to Ticklipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset color settings in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go to your search bar. In here, type settings. Then just open up settings from best match. After that, what you need to do is from the left-hand menu, just go to system. Then from system, you need to expand your display section. Then from here, just scroll down and under related settings, you'll find advanced display. Just click on this. After that, if you have multiple displays, it will list it here. I only have one display, so I'm gonna do it for only one display. But if you have multiple displays, do it for the one you're facing issues with. So just click on display adapter properties. After that, just go to color management from here. Then you need to click on color management. And a color management window will pop up where there will be 3 tabs. What you need to do is make sure you have selected the right monitor here. There are printers as well, so just be careful to select the right one. Select your right monitor and then just go to advanced settings. From here, make sure everything is set to system default. Every single one of these should be set to system default. After that, just click on change system defaults. From here, what you need to make sure is that the right monitor is selected here again. Then just go to advanced. From here, just click on use Windows display calibration and just close all this. Then just wait, Windows will recalibrate your display. You can just go ahead and restart your PC and your display color should be fixed. And basically that is how to reset color settings in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.